So in this video, we are going to go through how to write a fraction between the two given fractions. So if we look at this first, 8/77ths, what is that? I don't know what percentage that is. You probably don't either. I don't know, but that's really hard to compute. 45 over 231 is even tougher to compute. And to find a number that would be between two of those seems extremely challenging. And it is unless you get the same denominators. That should be your very first thing you want to do. So you have your two options. You can use the LCM GCDs in order to figure out that using that method what you should multiply by, or if you can see that actually you can multiply the left by 3 over 3 in order to get 45 or in order to get something over 231. That'll save you a little bit of time. So let's do that. 8 over 77 times 3 over 3 equals 8 times 3 is 24 over 231. Now can you find a number between 24 over 231 and 45 over 231? Actually, yes, you can find about 20 of them. Any single digit from, or any single number from 25, 26, to 44 over 231. Any of these would be an acceptable answer because each and every one of them is between 8/77 and 45 over 231.